boring.
Wow.
Please leave a comment about the ruler of BTS and Blackpink. Which one is better? This is a small competition. And who are you, a fan of BTS or Blackpink? This task is for the people, not me. Comment your own answer. I will be waiting. By the way, I am a fan of BTS. But Blackpink's gel is much better. We need any nail polish, any slime. Market colors. Double-sided tape, scissor, plastic sheet, white paper. So let's start to make it. Please subscribe if you like my video. Thank you. Please leave a comment. What would I make in my next video?